Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1, and we are learning unit 3. That is again a beautiful poem with title Let's Clean. And today is lecture 6. In today's lecture, we will recognize shapes and colors, and we will cover page number 26 and 27 of your book. In your previous class, English for grade C, you have studied meet the shapes and you have idea about different shapes. Further, in your general knowledge for grade C, you have done color experiments. Okay, so again today we will do such type of things and we'll recognize and categorize parts of body we have already done. So today we'll focus on shapes and colors, and we'll color within lines and create simple patterns. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah says in Surah 39 verse 5, He has created the heavens and the earth with truth. He makes the night to go in the day and makes the day to go in the night. So, my dear students, first Allah is saying about earth. You know, our earth has a shape. So, we get the idea of shape from this verse, and then day goes into night and night goes into day is a pattern. Okay, so today we'll learn more about it, inshallah. Right? This is on page number 26 of your book. The concept is about shapes. So let's do an activity for understanding different shapes. For this activity, we need different colored papers, a pencil, a scale, a pair of scissors, and a compass. So kindly teacher pause the video and arrange all these things. Yes, I hope you are done with it. So let's start. There are different sheets I have. You may select one of your choice. So I like this color, this blue. Do you like it? Or you may take one of your choice. There are different colors. Take one of your favorite color. All right, have you taken it? Now look at this shape. This shape is called rectangle. It has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. So a shape with 4 sides and 4 corners, plus its opposite sides, 1 and 2. These are known as opposite sides. These are equal in length. These two are equal to each other, and these two are also equal to each other. So a rectangle is a shape with 4 sides, 4 corners, and 2 opposite sides are equal in length and parallel. Okay, now from this shape, we can convert this rectangle in a square. Do you want to know how? All right, so measure this side and mark the length over here. Like I'm going to measure it. All right, it's 8. So I will mark 8 over here. All right. Teachers, kindly help the students in doing this. 8 over here. Now join these 2 points and cut from here. When we cut this sheet from here, what do we get? You do cut it. I have already done it. So see, we get this shape. This shape is known as square. What this square is? The 4 sides and 4 corners. Okay, so how can we differentiate between a square and rectangle? In square, all 4 sides are equal in length. All 4 sides are equal in length. So 4 sides with equal length and 4 corners is a square. Do you understand? All right. Now what to do when you hold the square and turn the opposite corner. Okay, turn this in this way, make to meet the opposite corners to each other. Now press it, press it, press it. What do you get? Wow, see, this is a new shape. It is called a triangle. Tri means 3. What does tri mean? It means 3. And this shape has 3 sides, 1, 2, and 3. And 3 corners, 1, 2, and 3. That's why it is called a triangle. Once again, triangle is a shape with 3 sides and 3 corners. Now, keep folding it further. Okay, again, it's a triangle. All right, let's fold it further. Again, it's a small triangle. You see, still it has 3 sides and 3 corners. Yes, my dear teachers, now help the students. What you have to do, opposite to this corner, you have to mark, opposite to this edge, you have to mark and make an arc with a compass, with the help of a compass. Like place it here and open your compass in equal length of this and draw an arc. Okay, in this way, maybe children are not able to do this independently, so teachers kindly assist them and make them to mark this arc. After doing this, we are going to cut from this arc. Cut, cut, cut. Cut, 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 cut with a scissor. Yes, cut, 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 cut. Yes. Now, my dear children, it's a new shape. It's, can you match it? Yes. You eat cone of this shape, but this is not a cone. You want to see what did we make? Okay. Now, let's unfold it. Open it. Open it. Open it and see. It's a circle. You see, from a rectangle, we made a circle. This is another shape. Does this shape have any corner? No. So this is basically one line in a round. One round line is a circle, right? So in this way, yes, we learnt all the shapes. Started from rectangle. Then we converted a rectangle into square. Then a triangle and a circle. It was such an interesting experiment of making these shapes. Now let's learn further from your book. It's page number 26. There is an activity. What you are supposed to do? Yes, teachers kindly provide cut papers into different shapes. Like this, cut papers into different shapes and then ask the student to separate them on the basis of their shapes. Okay? And when they are sorted, what you will do? You will ask them to match the shapes with these objects. Okay? So triangle will go with this, circle over here, square over here, and rectangle over here. Now, pause the video and enjoy this activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? All right. So we have done 2 practical activities to learn shapes. What's next? Here we are going to do an activity, and this activity is for colors. What we are going to do, we need poster colors of red, yellow, and blue shades. We need brush for mixing. We need disposable gloves to save our hands, disposable plates for mixing, and disposable glass for water. Okay, so I have arranged all this stuff over here. First of all, I suggest all of you to wear your gloves to keep your hands safe from these colors. Because beta, whatever we are doing, we should be careful about hygiene. Okay, so keep your hands safe. All right. I think one is fine because I'm going to use one hand only. Okay, now I'm going to start with this color. I have already put two colors. One is blue and the other is yellow. Blue and yellow. These are known as primary color. When we mix them up, we are going to make a new color. You want to find which color is that? Okay, let's mix it. Mix, 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 mix. Oh, you see, wow, which color is this? Can you identify this color? Yes, here it is, yellow and blue. Yellow and blue makes green. You see, green color is here. We made green color by mixing blue and yellow. Okay, what's next? Here it is, red and yellow. Red and yellow. Again, red and yellow are primary colors. We are going to mix these two colors to make new. Let's see which color we get. Mix, 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 mix. Yes, keep mixing. I want to add a bit of water because it's little hot. Okay, mix, mix, mix. You see, which color is this? Which color is this? It's orange, a little reddish, but by mixing red and yellow, we get orange. Okay, now another. This is blue and red. Again, two primary colors. We are going to mix them to get a new color. Let's mix, 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 mix. Oh, okay. It's a dark color. I want to add a bit of red in this to make a proper color which you can easily recognize. All right, once again, mix, 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 mix. Say it with me. Yes, mix, mix, mix. Yes, my dear children, here we are. Red and blue are gone. And which color we got? Yes, you recognize it. Blue and red makes purple. Do you? Now, these basic colors, red, yellow, make a secondary color, orange. Yellow and blue makes green. And blue and red makes purple. If you like playing with color, you can keep mixing and get further colors from it. Okay, but I suggest don't do it without supervision. All right. So in this way, we learned about colors. Now teachers kindly ask students to recognize different shapes and practice the patterns in their notebooks too. Ask them to differentiate between primary and secondary colors as we practiced it. All right, yes, my dear children, open your book on page number 27. Look at this picture carefully. Now you recognize these shapes. It's circle, a square, and a triangle. Okay? Again, a circle, square, a triangle. It's repeated. Here it's circle. What comes next? Yes, very good. A square. What comes next? A triangle, and so on. So this is known as pattern, repeating of things in a regular time or pattern. The way I told you, day makes night, night makes day. It's a pattern. Likewise, these shapes are moving in a pattern. So you have to complete drawing it, color it. It's your homework. And there is another activity on page number 27. Here the shapes are same, but colors are different. You know this shape, it's square, blue, yellow, green. It's one pattern. Again, blue, yellow, green. It's the same pattern repeated. So you have to draw square and color it according to the pattern. And now you know this is blue and yellow are primary and green is secondary color. When we mix them, we get green. All right, again, you have to complete this activity. It's your homework. Further, search a pattern of anything at your home and discuss it with your parents. Tell them how this is a pattern and what is the definition of the pattern. All right, here is a worksheet and here I have a message for my fellow teachers. Along with this video lecture, in description box, lesson plan and worksheet has been attached. You may download, take a print and give this worksheet to students for practice. What they are supposed to do? Green circle. So find this circle and color it green and match it with its name. This is how you will complete this worksheet and you will enjoy it. That's it. So today we did activities to recognize and categorize different shapes. We also did activities to recognize and categorize different colors, shapes and colors. And we learned about pattern. So in this way, we have achieved our today's SLO, that is recognize and categorize shapes and colors and also color within lines and create simple patterns. Yes, have we achieved our SLOs? Yes, so say yes in loud. Yes, that's great. That's it for today. Tomorrow I will come again with very interesting lesson. Till that time, take care. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.